So, for these 2 weeks, we're going to review and we're going to talk about rainforests again. So, there were some activities that I really wanted to do with you guys that we didn't get to do. So, today we're going to talk about the layers of the rainforest. Now, there are 4 layers of the rainforest. There's one that's called the floor, the understory, the canopy, oopsies, and the emergent layer of the rainforest. And we're going to make a little diagram of the rainforest first. So right here I've put trees, and then we're going to put some more green here, and it's going to be the next layer of the rainforest. And then we'll label each layer and we'll talk about them. So I'm just patting my paper with the brush to make the tops of the trees. And each one of these layers has different types of animals because different animals have different needs in the rainforest. Alrighty, so there's the next layer, and then we'll finish the very, very top of the rainforest. Let's scoot this over here. So what I did first was I cut out my trees, my tree trunks, and I glued those down. And then now I'm painting the leaves of our trees. Alrighty, so here is our completed background, our picture. And there's 4 layers of this rainforest. There's the floor, which is the bottom, the very, very bottom of the trees. This next one is the understory. This one is the canopy. And this one is the emergent layer of the rainforest. So on the forest floor, we have animals like tigers and leopards and some insects that live on the understory. That means they live on the floor of the rainforest. Sorry, not the understory. So we're going to cut the word floor and we'll glue it down. And we're going to glue it at the very, very bottom of our page. Alrighty. Great. And so I glued it right down there. It says floor. And now I'm going to cut out our tiger and our leopard. And you don't have to cut them out perfectly. You can just do a little square like that. And since they live at the bottom, I'm going to glue them all the way at the bottom of our paper. Alrighty, so we've got 2 animals so far. Now let's talk about our next layer of our rainforest, which is the understory, and what kind of animals live there. So here we've got a boa constrictor and a tree frog. And animals like these live in the understory. So this is the next level of our rainforest. So I'm going to cut out where it says understory first and put that in the correct spot. All right. we can put that right here. So we've got it right here on these green, and we're going to put down our boa constrictor and our tree frog. I'm going to put our tree frog right over here. And our boa constrictor on the other side. Alrighty. So we've got 2 more animal friends for our rainforest. Excuse me. Alright, our next level of our rainforest is called the canopy. And it houses animals like sloths and toucans. So we're going to glue down canopy. You got canopy written down there. And we're going to glue down our sloth. And our toucan on those levels, on that level. All right. We're almost there, friends. I'm going to put that one right there. All right, and now we've got 6 animal friends. Look at that. Isn't that looking just awesome? Now we have to put our friends at the very, very top. What kind of animals do you think live at the very top, the tallest trees of the rainforest? So we've got friends that live in the emergent layer, and they're butterflies or a harpy eagle. And they live at the very, very top of the rainforest. And sometimes those trees can grow to be over 50 feet tall. So let's put down emergent layer, and then we'll be almost done with our craft. All right, we are almost there. All right, we got the word emergent up there. And then we're going to cut out our eagle and our butterfly. We got our eagle here. We're going to glue it down. And then we've got our butterfly, which is the last piece of our rainforest. Now there are lots of other animals in the rainforest that are not on these pictures, but you can see some of them in the videos I'm going to send you, and you can look at them with your mommy and daddies. All right. I think we are all done. So this is what my picture looks like. And again, we have the different layers. So the bottom part of our rainforest is called the rainforest floor. And animals like leopards and tigers live there, and some other insects. Our next layer of our rainforest is called the understory. And we've got snakes, boa constrictors, and frogs. Our next layer, the third layer of the rainforest, is called the canopy. And we've got animals like sloths and toucans. And then our last layer of the rainforest is called the emergent layer. And those are the tallest trees in the rainforest. And they house animals like harpy eagles and butterflies. So I hope you guys had fun learning about the different layers of the rainforest with me. If you make a rainforest picture, send it to me in our email. I would love to see them. Bye.